Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling an important topic. How to clean your coin collection the right way. Proper cleaning and preservation are crucial to maintaining the value and beauty of your coins. In this video, we'll share expert tips on cleaning your coins without damaging them. We have a great show for you. Before proceeding, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding when to clean your coins. First things first, not all coins should be cleaned. Many collectors prefer their coins in their natural, unclean state. Cleaning can sometimes reduce a coin's value, especially if done improperly. Only clean coins if they are heavily soiled or have corrosive materials that could further damage them. Step 2. Gentle cleaning techniques. If you clean your coins, start with the gentlest methods such as: first method, distilled water rinse. Soak the coin in distilled water for a few minutes to loosen the dirt. Gently rub with your fingers to remove surface grime. Avoid tap water as it contains minerals that can harm the coin. Second method, mild soap solution. If water alone doesn't work, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with distilled water. Gently swish the coin in the solution. Then rinse thoroughly with distilled water. Pat dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. Step 3. Advanced cleaning for heavily soiled coins. For more stubborn dirt, use these advanced techniques with caution. First technique, soft bristled brush. Use a soft bristled brush, like a baby toothbrush, to gently scrub the coin. This is effective for removing dirt in crevices, without scratching the surface. Second technique, olive oil soak. For coins with heavy incrustations, soaking in olive oil for a few days to weeks can help. The oil loosens the dirt, which can then be gently brushed away. Be sure to rinse the coin thoroughly with distilled water after this treatment. Step 4. Avoiding harmful cleaning methods. Cleaning methods that you should avoid to prevent damaging your coins. Avoid abrasive materials. Never use abrasive materials, like scouring pads, toothpaste, or baking soda. These can scratch the coin's surface. Avoid harsh chemicals. Avoid using harsh chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, or silver polish. These can corrode and permanently damage your coins. Avoid dipping solutions. While some coin dip solutions are marketed for cleaning, they can strip the coin of its natural patina and luster, reducing its value. Step 5. Preserving your cleaned coins. After cleaning, it's essential to preserve your coins properly. Store coins in a cool, dry place. Use coin holders, albums, or capsules to protect them from environmental damage and handling. Always handle coins by the edges and wear cotton gloves to avoid transferring oils and dirt from your fingers. Use silica gel packs in storage areas to control humidity. Excess moisture can lead to corrosion and tarnish. And there you have it, fellow collectors. Cleaning your coin collection the right way can help maintain its beauty and value. Remember, when in doubt, it's often best to leave coins in their natural state or consult a professional numismatist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more numismatic tips, and share your coin cleaning experiences in the comments. Until next time, happy collecting and preserving.